Today I'm going to teach you how to remove your Wix site from Google. This is particularly useful if you're working on a site that's not quite ready for public viewing, or if you need to temporarily take your site offline from search results while you make major updates. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with various settings related to your website's configuration. This menu is your central hub for managing all the core aspects of your site. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have available. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely sure that this is the website you wish to remove from Google. If you manage multiple sites on Wix, double-checking at this stage can save you from accidentally modifying the wrong site's search visibility. Once you've confirmed you're working with the correct site, locate the drop-down menu labeled SEO and GEO and click on it. This section contains all the tools and settings that control how search engines interact with your website, as well as geographical targeting options. It's a critical area for managing your site's online presence and visibility. Under the SEO and GEO settings, scroll down until you find the option called SEO Settings and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed page where you have granular control over how search engines crawl and index your website. These settings directly influence whether your site appears in Google search results or not. Once you're on the SEO Settings page, scroll down and locate the option that says Let Search Engines Index Your Site. This is the key setting that controls your site's visibility on Google and other search engines. To remove your site from Google, you'll need to turn this off by toggling the button on the right part of the option. When you toggle this off, you're essentially telling search engines not to index your site, which means it won't appear in search results going forward. Keep in mind that it may take some time for Google to process this change and completely remove your site from their search results, as search engines don't update instantly. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Wix site to be removed from Google search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.